So we're getting ready to head out to Crawler Canyon for Spooky Crawl, and we'll pick up from there because it's about an hour and a half drive. So I'll catch you guys in a minute.
Don't know how this works. It's like I can't hear.
Okay, go that way. Yep, there you go. There you go. There you go.
Is it too little? I don't want it to fall off. Because I'm really bad at the directions. Why is she so fast? Oh, that way.
Okay, squeeze the trigger gently.
I am, and she takes off.
She does. There you go. There you go.
Come on.
Give it some beans.
I am giving it all the beans. A duck.
All right, climb that.
Did you eat
Yeah.
already?
Yeah. I already ate half of it before I got over here. Did you turn the headlights off?
I was doing donuts.
The winner of the mullet is Rob Press. Rob Press, you are the winner of the mullet.
I will say, keep it out of the water. While most of my electronics are waterproof, the one for the remote is not.
That's right. I was confused. You're recording.
And it fell off again.
Okay.
Oh no, going up to the crater.
Cut left hard.
I'm trying. Got a fucking cinder block on. Oh, dude.
Okay, cut left.
Oh, his tires in the rock there. Ooh.
That sounded expensive.
Backward. Oh, like pull it around underneath the front axle or something?
Yeah.
Because I mean, it walks up there. It's just, it won't do it with a truck.
Right.
It would have been cool.
Just stay on the throttle.
Here. Go up like this and then start turning that way and then go up. Come this way. Come up right here. That way. Put this tire right here. Up, turn that way.
Keep going.
Yeah. No, but it sounds like you just came across one hell of a marketing idea. Oh yeah, dude.
I've got glow in the dark paint at the house.
Who's down there? I don't know if it's somebody's. Oh, is it actually glow in the dark? Yeah. It was. What the fuck? Yeah. It might have been. I know somebody's.
Are you actually putting both on the trailer?
I'm gonna try. Sure as fuck try. That's unfortunately so cool. Now I gotta build a fucking trailer.
I'll give you the files.
Yeah. You tell me that's not badass.
I love how the spacing is so correct that the tire marks are still lined up.
That's awesome.
Now drop your winch.
I'm kind of thinking about trying to figure out how to put how to power the trailer axles.
Get one of those maybe a 124 scale motor or something.
That's not a bad